When I think of the Baker Institute, I think of this small community on top of the hill above Cornell in Ithaca that works together to do really foundational science that has made really valuable discoveries over many years. And not only that, it takes the science and is able to translate this to the benefit of both humans and animals. So I think it's an incredibly special place and I'm very honoured to be part of. So I think my favourite Baker memory is when I first returned here in 2022 to start my own research group. And I remember walking on the first day and essentially being handed the keys to this fabulous new lab. There were some empty boxes in it that I'd ordered things prior to my arrival, but otherwise, essentially, it was a blank canvas and I was asked to just go for it. And that was such an honour. But I think one of the really special moments in that first few days as well was being able to put a particular book on my shelf in my new office here. And that's because that was a book I received when I was a summer student here at the Baker back in 2007. And I was in fact a student in the lab of Dr. John Parker. And my project went well and I was awarded this book that was telling me how to lead my own lab one day. And I remember getting this book and thinking, that's a bit premature. And it was just fantastic 15 years later, taking that same book and being able to put it on the shelf. So one of the key things that has led the Baker to be so successful over the 75-year history is of course the people. So all the way from the list of incredible directors through to the many group leaders that have led teams of scientists here, and to the scientists themselves working in the lab. In addition to them, we're very indebted to a large number of donors and supporters and champions who have really been incredibly faithful and loyal to the Baker's mission. For many of them, it's over many decades, and so we're very grateful. My name is Sarah Caddy, and that is what the Baker Institute means to me.